Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Visual Studio IDE in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Microsoft Visual Studio. We'll be having the official link. Click it and here we will be having get free download. Select that and the download will be getting started. The setup file is around 4 MB in size, so just be patient. And if you want to explore other versions, here we will be having explore all versions. Select that and here you can see we are having community, which is the free one, professional and enterprise. So we have downloaded the community one. So now just open the setup. We'll be getting the Visual Studio installer. Select continue and this will take some time to download and install. Just be patient. So if you're already having a pre-existing version of Visual Studio, it will try to get some of the configurations from that. I don't want that, so I will just select this, select workloads and components manually. So this won't be extracting the previous data. So I will just click on next. And these are the workloads that we can add. This varies from person to person. Like you can be a Node.js developer, a .NET developer, yeah, C++ game developer. So many options are there. So based upon my experience, many people use Visual Studio for .NET development. So I will just select this ASP.NET web development and .NET desktop development. Here we are having the location where everything is going to get added. So by default, it's local disk C and program files. In case if you have very less space in local disk C, click on this change. And here you can see this is the shared components and tools, the product. We can like simply change it to local disk D, and here we can create a folder and select folder. That's it. So basically I'm just changing it and I will just click on install. So once it has been installed, you can just click on the launch over here. This is the older version that I already had. So I'll just click on launch. And if you want to like sign in, you can do that with Microsoft account, GitHub account, or you can even create an account. If you want to skip, click here. And this is the color theme. I'm going with dark. And development settings. In case if you are having for a specific language or particular web development or a job, you can choose that. I'll just go with general and click on start Visual Studio. Here we can create a new project or open an existing one. I will just click on continue without code. And this will now open our Visual Studio IDE. And we are also having the Copilot extension here. So now let's just go and create a project and try running a program. So just go to file, new, project or solution. And here we'll be having some existing templates for many languages. If you want to sort by the languages, you can, platforms and project types also. If you want to search anything, you can just search over here. So I'll just go with all, yeah. And I'm just going to show it for a simple C hash. So I'll just select this C hash console app and select next. And this is going to be my project name. If you want to change any of these, you can change the information. I'm fine with this. I will just click on next and create. So this is the default code that I'm having here. I'm having a console, just like a print statement. So if I just now run it, I have got the hello world output. And if I press any key, it closes. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming or AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.